Now, many a times the microwave, like some clients prefer keeping the microwave on the countertop, and some clients prefer to have it in the cabinet, an overhead cabinet. So, in case you want to install a microwave in an overhead cabinet, what do you need to do? How will you do it? That is what this video is about. But before you go on, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. So before you start, you need to remove the blower from the microwave. This is an upright position now, so you will tilt it and put it on the side, the position in which it is actually going to be kept on the shelf. And there are two ways in which this blower operates. One is it blows the hot air outside, so either it's at the top, so you'll have to vent it out. So if it's in a cabinet like this, you need to give some space at the top so that the hot air can come out, or it's on the back side. So you need to check the blower will get fitted on the top in either of the directions, depending on how it is going to blow off the hot air. So you need to check that, and according to that you will have to design. So deciding, the client deciding, or you checking what brand the client has taken and what side the blower is and how it is going to be blown, that needs to be decided during the designing part itself, so that you can design the overhead cabinet. So let's now see how it is fitted. So this is the cabinet into which the microwave is going to be fitted. So you can see there are cabinet doors on either side, and there is a niche kept in the middle where the cabinet is going to be fitted. Now you have your dado tiles also. So the microwave, after it's going to get fitted, is going to slightly overhang onto the tiles that are coming below. It's just about half an inch or so. So that marking has also been done. So knowing what size it is before helps. You could have also given, if you knew the size before, we could have also given maybe a shelf there and put the microwave on that, but it's fine, you can always do it at this stage also. So it is overhanging the tile slightly. Now depending on what is the size of the microwave, there are brackets that are coming along with the microwave which are going to be fitted at this position, and that is going to support the microwave from the bottom. So taking all those dimensions before and following the template that has been given. So such kind of templates are given which we can cut out and paste onto the cabinet, so we know the exact locations of where the screws and where the fasteners need to come. So markings have been done, D, E, G. These are what have already been given by the manufacturer. The cutout, if one needed for exhausting the hot air, has also been marked. So it is very easy if you have a template like this that you can cut out and paste onto your upper shelf of the cabinet, and according to that the markings, then you won't go wrong if you're following those on site. So using the template is really wise when you are working like this. So now we know exactly where those holes need to be cut. So working on that, just let's see how it's done. Now the weight of the microwave is going to come on the brackets below. So you really need good fasteners. It cannot just happen with screws and nuts and bolts. So these are fasteners which are going to actually be anchored into, so that the bracket can hold on to the weight. And when they go inside, they will split open. So that is what is really needed to make this entire thing foolproof. And this really takes up the weight of the microwave, because it is a pretty heavy item to be hanging on the wall actually. So you need these kind of fasteners. These hardwares are going to be available with the kit that is going to come, and if not, you can easily purchase them from an hardware shop. So after you drill the hole, these locations have been given on the template. All the dimensions have been given in the manufacturer's manual, and according to that you need to put this particular fastener into the wall, and once you put it into position, it will go inside, split open, and give it that anchorage so that it cannot come out because of the force of the weight of the microwave. So this has to be done properly. Now that the bracket and the fastener has been properly secured into position, you can lift up the microwave. You have already got a hole done at the top from where the wire can be coming out. So you need to see that it is aligning properly with the brackets, and you can fit it onto the brackets. The electric connection you can see is at the top over here. So you need to remove the wire first and then anchor the microwave in position. The markings of these screws had also been done during when we had pasted the template. So from the top also, the microwave needs to be screwed into the shelf so that it becomes more steady and gives a more fastened effect, and it does not move from its position. So it has brackets at the top, so you're just putting in the nuts, screws over there to tighten it up. You give it the electrical connection, and then there is a door at the top. You can see the hinges are already in place. We have just removed those cabinet doors so that all this installation process could take place. So you can just put back the cabinet doors. You just need to insert it into this. Hinges need to be inserted into the levers over there. So that could be done, and the door gets finished. So now you must have understood why I keep saying that you need to plan out the gadgets and the appliances that are going to be fitted into your kitchen during the design process itself, because all these things that you need for hanging, the space that you need for exhaust, everything needs to be planned beforehand. The electrical connections, any other kind of finishing that needs to be given. So for example, you plan this later on, and then after the tiling has been done, you realize that just a small 1 or 2 inch gap is seen between the microwave and the tile, or you haven't given the electrical connection at the right position. So it doesn't make sense to take these decisions later. So before I move on to the next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can keep coming with such videos, and please press the bell icon so that after every new video you get a notification. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like the video.